Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn exercise of lesson 19. In this first exercise, that is, write who said the following and to whom. So, first we learn the particular sentence who said to whom in the lesson 19. The first one, she is your daughter. She is your daughter. So, who said to whom? Sage said to his wife. So, she is your daughter. Who said to whom? The sage said to his wife. Okay. And second one, the cloud is able to cover me. The cloud is able to cover me. Who said to whom? The sun god said to sage. The cloud is able to cover me. The sun god said to sage. And I will marry only a she mouse. Who said to whom? This particular sentence, the mouse said to sage. Only the she mouse I can marry. Mouse to sage. So, these three sentences we know who said to whom. The first sentence, the sage said to his wife. She is your daughter. Sage said to his wife. Second one, the cloud is able to cover me. The sun god said to sage. I will marry only a she mouse. The mouse said to sage. And second exercise, choose the right bubble to fill the blanks. So, the sage's wife was overjoyed because here we have two bubbles. Among this we have to choose the correct bubbles. So, a little mouse fell into sage's lap. So, it is wrong. She always wanted her daughter. So, the correct one, she always wanted her daughter. The sage's wife was overjoyed because she always wanted daughter. Because the mother, she wants always her daughter with her. Okay, that's why she was overjoyed. The second sentence, the sage turned to the beautiful girl into a she mouse again because he was not happy with the girl. No, it is wrong. The mouse was ready to marry only a she mouse. The mouse was ready to marry only she mouse. So, here we take the she. Okay. And second one, answer. The mouse was ready to marry only a she mouse. Yes, the mouse gave one condition, that is, I ready to marry your daughter, but I cannot marry a human being. So, if your daughter is a she mouse, I can marry her. So, the sage changed his daughter as a she mouse. So next exercise, given below are some words. So, here we have some words. Write them in the box, they blank too. So, here we have words and here we have columns, that is nouns, verbs, adjective, determiners and adverbs. So, here we have to choose the words which is noun and which is verbs and which is adjective, which word is determiners and adverbs. Let we choose. So, here sing is here book is a noun, John is the name of person, is a noun, and Chennai is the name of place, it is a noun, and garden is the noun, and verb, see, sing, read, okay, sing, read, go, throw, play. So, these are the words from these words. And adjective, long, lovely, beautifully, brightly. Determiners, my, a, the. Adverbs, fast and big. So, now we separate the words. So, for the nouns, that is book, John, Chennai, garden. Okay. And verbs, sing, read, go, throw, play. And adjectives, long, lovely, beautifully, brightly. And determiners, my, a, the. And adverbs, fast and big. Okay. So, among these verbs, particular columns we separated and an activity, we must for what we should do, and we use must not for that what we should not do. So here we have to use must and must not. Must means what we can do. For that we can use must. Yes, I will do. And which one we are not, I cannot do, I am not able to do, that is we can say must not. So here save environment. For that tick for the things we must do and cross for the things we must not do. So here we have some examples for that. If we do, that we have to tick, we do not do, that is we have to cross. And first one, save environment. Yes, we must save environment. So for that we have to tick. And grow more trees. Yes, grow more trees. Yes, it is also we must do. And think before you throw, that is we cannot think before you throw. So before throw the wastes, we should think whether we are able to throw or not. And fight with anyone. Fight with anyone, that is we must not do. And torture animals, that is also we must not do. And pray to God, yes, we must do, we must pray to God for that. And can you make a solar fan on your own? So this is the exercise of lesson 19. In this lesson we learn which we have to do, which we should not do, that we learn. And we learned how to divide the words, whether it is noun or verbs, articles. Okay. So I hope you understand the exercise of lesson 19. Thank you and have a nice day.